Health officials say high vaccination rates are key in helping with the decline in COVID cases. In the last week, 10 billion doses of the COVID vaccines have been given globally, but there are gaps in which parts of the world have the protection. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leschner tells us why having high vaccination rates globally is important in moving past the pandemic.
Even under the current cloud of COVID, with some context, there's much more hope in America than in other parts of the world.
It's still pandemic in many parts of the world where vaccination rates are under 20% or even under 10% in many parts of sub-Saharan Africa.
As our top health leaders push booster doses to get through the latest Omicron surge, many poorer pockets of the world are still waiting on first doses. According to Our World in data, in low-income countries, just 5.5% of people have been fully vaccinated. That's compared to 72% of the population in high-income countries.
We haven't yet seen the level of global financial and in-kind resource commitment proportional to the damage and the serious economic and health impacts caused by this pandemic.
Doctors say a global response is crucial. Gaps in vaccination leave us all vulnerable to new variants. Dr. Mark McClellan, former FDA commissioner, thinks it's likely another more dangerous or contagious variant will develop.
But the best way to slow down the progression of additional variants and the best way to get us all back to normal here and around the world is to get vaccination rates up.
The World Health Organization set a target for countries to vaccinate 70% of their populations by the middle of this year. If that's accomplished, experts believe we can turn the corner into an endemic phase. Chloe Leschner, WCNC Charlotte.